Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be testing a new product, and the product that I'm testing is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Setting Spray, which is this one here. And it's a glowy setting spray that's got shimmer particles into it, and this is it on the skin today. So if you want to stick around and see how I applied it, how I used it on my skin and how I got this makeup look, then stick around and I'll get right into it. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm testing another product which I've just got, and it is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray, and it's in this box here. And I saw Nikki Tutorials testing this one and it just looked really nice. I thought I'd give it a try myself. I do like a setting spray, but what I liked about it most is how sparkly it was. So this is the bottle, how it comes. So it just looks like a liquidy, watery, clear bottle. When you shake it up, it goes all pearly. And I've got the pinky one. You can get like the I think it's like a goldy one. It's like a more deeper, richer tone, but I think this is the lighter one, which is obviously better for my skin tone. And you get 120ml in this one. I'll link the price and where you can buy it from down below as well. I'll just read you the instructions. It says, shake well for even glow. Gently spray at least 12 inches away from the face. Apply this soothing mist before you moisturise and use to finish your makeup. So I'm gonna do some more makeup. I've already done my eyes just because they kind of look like pistols in the snow today, so I thought I'd just not come on camera looking like that. So I've done my eyes. I'm just going to do my skin. So I'm just going to use a bit of the Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate just to prep. I've already washed and pre-moisturised my face earlier on anyway, so I'm all good to go. My skin is getting a little bit better, which is good. And I went to Slimming World last night and I lost a pound, so we're definitely heading in the right direction. So the foundation that I'm going to use today is the Ordinary Colours Light Coverage Serum Foundation. I've used this once, I think it was a couple of months ago. I can't really remember how. Oh, it's quite liquidy. So I'm going to apply it with a brush, and I'm going to use the Morphe angled brush. It doesn't have a name on it. It's quite a dense buffing brush. I'm going to give this a good shake. And if I remember rightly, this is a matte foundation. And this one says, shake before use, dispense a small amount into the palm or onto the back of your hand. Smooth and blend throughout the face, ideally upwards from the midpoint of the face. I'm shaking it. I'm just going to pump it straight onto my face because I can't be bothered with the messiness. It's really watery. It's just running down the bottle, so I'm just going to buff that into my skin. I think I'm going to need to do a couple of layers of this today with my breakouts. This brush feels really nice. That's definitely not enough. So I'm going to pump that directly into the back of my hand as it suggests, and then I'm going to dip my brush into it. So follow instruction. As it says, don't do your own thing. It's quite good coverage, this. So I thought I'd use a matte foundation because I want to give the glowy setting spray the best test. So obviously if you're using illuminating foundation, you're not really getting the most true opinion of how it's going to work. And this is a matte foundation. That feels really nice on the skin. Can't really tell I've got it on. Very comparable to the Bare Minerals Serum Foundation. I don't think they make it anymore. But I used to quite like that one, and this is quite nice actually. So I'm going to use some concealer. So quite like that foundation. I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Just going to put a little bit of this in my darker areas. And I'm going to buff that out with a Morphe makeup sponge. This has been dampened with water. I've made the mistake of putting mascara on my bottom lashes before I've done my concealer, which is obviously not ideal, but I have to make it work. So I've started watching Sinner Series 2, and it's just as good as Season 1. I don't know whether you've seen Season 1, but if you have not seen Sinner, Jessica Biel? Justin Timberlake's wife, anyway, she's the director of it. It's amazing. I literally watched the whole season of Sinner in one day on Series 1. It's that addictive, but obviously I can't really do that with Season 2 because it's once a week, so never mind. But yeah, I highly recommend it. I'm just going to set the concealer with a bit of Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Oh, my cat's been sick. Hold on 1 second.
5 minutes later. A few moments later.
So as I was saying, I'm just setting my concealer with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just pushing that into the areas where I've put concealer. I'm out of breath because I've just chased Moby around the house trying to make sure he's not sick on my carpet. He wasn't. I got him outside just in time. So this really mattifies all the areas. And this really helps your concealer not move and your foundations stay in place as well. So I'm just going to use the Be a Light palette by Becca just to do a little bit of light contouring. I'm just going to use the Eco Tools face brush, this one. I'm using the deeper shade and a bit of the bronzer together. Just adding a bit of definition back into the face. I think using a matte foundation, you definitely need to use a little bit of contour. And this palette's really nice. I'll probably use it in every video in the last few months. I'm just going to take a little bit of the lighter colour as well. Just sweep that across the centre of the face. We're going to do highlight afterwards on top of the setting spray. I'm just going to use a bit of blusher. And this is Milani Illuminoso. I'm just using a Real Techniques blush brush just to dust that across the cheeks. I like to just dust a little bit of that across the forehead and across the nose. My nose is really dry and crispy. I don't know why, probably hormones. So then we're going to go in with the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. So I'll come close so you can see like my skin and the matteness of it. I'm going to spray a bit of this and just oh, it smells nice, so I'm going to go for it. I'm going to spray a bit on the back of my hand, see if it's shiny. Oh, it's got glitter particles in it. I don't know whether you can see that. There you are. I'm just going to spray it. I don't really know how much to use of it because it doesn't say. You can definitely see it on the face. Give it a few more pumps. If you're going to go for it, you might as well go for it, aren't you? You can definitely see it illuminating on the face. So I'm going to let that dry down. I'm sure you can see that. I think that's really pretty. I've got it all in my hair. I'm just going to use a little bit of the highlighter in this palette just while it's a little bit wet. I'm going to dust it in there. This is quite a natural highlighter, so Don't expect it to be blinding. I don't really feel like I need highlighter on my face because this has got such a shine to it. I really like it. And if you're going on holiday, this would be amazing if you just spritz it all over your shoulders as well. It's lovely. Can you see it? I'm just going to add a little bit of something in my eyebrows because I've got powdered products in there. Just to bring them back. This is just Maybelline Brow Drama and it's literally on its last legs. And then I'm just going to add a bit of Makeup Revolution, absolutely flawless. This is just like a pinky nude lipstick. And that's the finished look. So I'll zoom you in so you can see the skin. And there you are. And you can definitely see the radiance to the skin. I think it's really nice. If you've got a lot of texture in your skin, this might not be for you, but I think putting it on top of a full coverage matte foundation definitely brings a lot of life back to the skin. It smells amazing. I'm hoping it's not going to break me out, but obviously I can let you know because I'm definitely going to keep using this because I like how it looks on my skin. And I'll keep you updated. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You can stick around and see all my other tutorials as well, past and future ones that I've got to come. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.